Dear friends, myself Dr. Chandrajit Singh. Today we discuss Memorandum of Association and Article of Association. First of all, we have to know meaning of Memorandum of Association. The Memorandum of Association is a document which sets out the constitution of a company. It means Memorandum of Association is very important document in respect of public and private company because it defines the structure of the company is built. It defines the scope of the company, activities, and its relation with the outside world. It means after observing of the memorandum of associations, we can know what is the object of this company, why this company was formed, and what are its scope and what are its activities. All things we can know after observing the memorandum of association. The first step, the first step in the formation of a company is to prepare a document. So whenever we want to form a new company, we have to prepare a document is called memorandum of association. Therefore, it is said that memorandum of association is a constitution of a company and is therefore the foundation on which the structure of the company is built. In fact, memorandum is one of the most essential prerequisites for incorporating any form of company under the Act. This is evidenced in Section 3rd of the Act, which provides the mode of incorporation of a company and states that a company may be formed for any lawful purpose by 7 or more persons. 7 or more persons may be formed such type of documents and introduced before registrar where the company to be formed is a public company, then 7 persons are required. 2 or more persons where the company to be formed is a private company. In case of a private company, 2 or more persons are required. In case of a public company, 7 or more persons are required. Where the company to be formed is a one-person company by subscribing their names or his stamps to a memorandum and complying with the requirement of this act in respect of its registrations. So how can we define memorandum of association? So definitely we have to know section 2 subclause 56 of this act. Section 2 subclause 56 of the Companies Act 2013. 2013 is an amending act. Basic act is called Company Act 1956. But section 2 subclause 56 of the Companies Act 2013, according to this section, memorandum means the memorandum of association of a company as originally framed and altered from time in pursuance of any previous company law or this act. Section 4 of the act specifies in clear terms the contents of this important document. So what are contents of this document? We have to know section 4 of this act, which is the charter of the company. It means all things may be cleared after preparation of memorandum of association in respect of a public or private company. The memorandum of association of a company contains the object to pursue which the company is formed. It not only shows the objects of formation but also determines the scope of its operations beyond which its actions cannot go. It means company cannot do any work beyond memorandum of association. Observe Palmer. So Palmer says that company will do work according the terms and condition of the memorandum of association. Beyond this document, company cannot go. According to Palmer, memorandum is a document of a great importance in relation to the proposed company. In this case of एस बरी रेलवे कैरिज ये क्या रही इधर अब बोलना कि बोला ना बीच में